Today we are going to start the session on Canva.com, and this is a platform. It's a free online web application where you can design any kind of template, any kind of design. Like, you know, if you some people are looking for presentations, posters, banners, flyers, social media images, you know, even WhatsApp status or YouTube thumbnails, Facebook thumbnails, anything you can do. Only thing, you just need a 1 hour practice. That's more than enough to do any kind of images. Only it's up to, you know, it depends on the level of thinking you have. So if you think something, you can make it here. Only thing, you need to have some idea what to create and how to create. All right. So if you have any model image, then also you can do the same kind of image here. And it's very easy. I'm going to walk you through all the tools which we have in canva.com. So make sure, of course, don't worry, I'll send the recorded video also. It's already recording. So don't worry, if you have any confusion, you can watch it again. So I hope you would also enjoy this session also as like yesterday. So right now, first of all, you have to go to canva.com. Can you see here? Canva, canva.com. That's it. Once you click on there, once you go there, what you have to do is, if you are landing in this website for the first time, you have to click on sign up. Okay. And it's very easy. You can, once you click on sign up, go to sign up with Google. Okay. I already signed up with Google. So I'm just doing login. Okay. So click on login and go to login with Google. So once you're done, add your Gmail account, which you are already signed up. So make sure of course, it's a free tool, but in this templates, there are some paid templates also. So try to understand what are the paid templates and what are the free templates that I'm going to show you. I'll show you the example. So suppose you can make a poster if you want to make, and if you want to create here, you can find all the designs, WhatsApp story, any presentation, or you can create ID cards, Facebook ad, logos you can design, and you can design YouTube thumbnail, animated social media, you know, 10-second, 9-second animated images, and you can create some motivational posters, business cards. Here is a new feature added in canva.com, that's videos. So you can create videos. It's very short videos actually. So give it a try if you can do. And after that, you can create flyers, cards, everything. So almost all the things, whatever we want in our society, in our day-to-day life, those all kind of things are available in canva.com. You can see here cards, infographics, resume, and brochures, invitation, everything. You don't need to worry about anything. If you want to see, people are feeling very you know, problem when they want to create some image. They are looking for people, those who knows Photoshop and all those things. So you don't need to worry about these things. Okay. So this is very easy also. Only thing what you have to do is, if you know the size of the image you want to make, for suppose, for that you have to do is create a design. So custom designs. For suppose I want to create an image for a Facebook ad. So what I have to do, I know the size. So it's 1200 by 628, so that I can create the design. Okay. And Canvas also know that the size is for Facebook ads. So it will show you all the pre-designed templates here. If you like it, any template, you can use it. It's very easy. For suppose, just click on it. You got that image here. Okay. So once you have the template, you can change the text here. It's up to you. So here first I'd like to show you how to edit the text. Okay. So you can add the text. After that, if you want to change color, you can go here. You can change the color to red. You can make it bold, and you can change the size also. I hope you are with me, right? You can change the size, and also you can align its center, left, right, everything. And if you want to make points, bullets like that, you can do that. And you can also increase the space in between letters, and also in space between lines. All right. So there are almost all the basic features those we need to edit any image. Is all the features are available here. And of course, suppose if you want to overlap some image here, so if you want to add some image from the Google, then also you can do that. You can download any image from the Google and click over here, upload. You can upload from your computer, like the images I have uploaded here. It's very easy. Just upload an image or video and select any image, like the flyer we have. And once it's uploaded, done, just click on it. You can add that here. Never and ever drag any image like this. All right. So always try to drag any image by holding the corner. Otherwise it will stretch in a different manner. Okay. So like this, you can do that. And so you can add image, or if you want to add any image from Google, and of course Canva is also providing such a very high definition images here. So suppose if you are searching for any robotics, you will find so many free images. Can you see here free? Are you with me?
Yes,
if you can see here, it's free. So when it's free, then only you can use that image. Or if any image is like this dollar symbol, it means that's a paid one. If you click on that, you would get Canva, over the watermark, Canva watermark over that image. So you cannot use that image. If you really want to use that image, you have to pay for that image. Okay. So otherwise you can use the free images. You can add anything. All right. So if you want to add text, yeah, if you want to add text over this, it's very easy. Any kind of image you can search from here. It's kind of Google. If you want to search for events, of course you would get it. Okay. It's free. Or any image. All right, all our high definition images you can get from here, and make sure it must be free. It should not have the dollar symbol. If you have this kind of symbol, you can't use that images. All right, so make sure that. And afterwards, if I want to add some text over this, just click on text. See, every text is free here. You can use any text template. If I suppose I want to use this text, you can just click on that. You would get the text here. Okay. And of course you can ungroup here, so that these two text which are grouped here, so you can make sure, if you don't want this, you can delete that, and you can add this one only. Okay. You can add any text, and it's up to you the way you want. If you want to change the size, you can. And if you want to same everything, if you want to change the color, you can. It's up to you. Here are the colors. That's it. And for suppose if you want to add effects to the image you added here, it's very simple. Click on that image, select that image. Okay. and go to adjust, and you can adjust the brightness, contrast, everything. You can do that. It's all the features we have here. And if you want to crop the image, you can do that. You can crop the image. It's done. All right. And text is over. You can get the templates. You can have photos, whatever you want to download from here. This is the second stage. And after that, elements. Elements means, for suppose I would create another new design here. I'll show you how to do that. Elements. Let us make a poster here, or otherwise we can make something called, what is that, Facebook ad. Okay, so this is a Facebook ad we would like to create. And after that, what you have to do is just go to elements. You have so many things here, elements like, symbols, whatever you want, and depends on the way you want to create the image. Okay, there are some grids, and of course shapes, frames, stickers, charts, everything, anything you want to create it. What I told you in the starting, it depends on the creativity you really have, what is the image you have in your mind. So if suppose I want to create something like, you know uh, I want to make this like this, and after that, these are the frames are very good. So now these frames will do, whatever the image you upload here, photos. So if you can just drag that image to the frame, it will automatically fix on within that frame. You don't need to do anything. So this is what the advantage of these frames. So otherwise, if you want to create something like this, not the frames, then you have to go to elements and drag this one. Okay. So those images will not fix within this frame. You have to adjust the image here. Then you have to drag that image, anything you uploaded in your computer or anything. So and you have to drag it. And if you want to adjust the color, brightness, contrast, everything is done. And after that, if you want add offer, and then if see, sometimes this offer has to be elevated over all the images, above the images. So this is what you have to do is, the option is position. Position means it has to go backward one step, so then it's gone. So click again, go to back, and again click on this image, click on backward. Now the big offer came over it. Who is dragging somewhere here there?
Oh,
Who's doing this?
I don't know how it's happening. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so here if you want to add something, and you can add image, or if you want to add text here, just click on text, select anything, any text. Oh, sorry. For suppose I want to add this text and ungroup. Delete. So decrease the size of the text. And if you want to add and if you want to copy this, just click on copy and paste. And you can add, don't miss it, and change the color. And this is how images we have to design. Is it good?
Very nice. Very beautiful.
Yes. So it depends on
Nice.
the requirement. What kind of requirements do you really have? Okay.
Okay.
So if you really want, yes, any questions?
Yeah. Are there any preset sizes like that? Are there any preset sizes? And
Pardon?
is there any preset sizes like A4, A3?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
he
What
mentioned it
what
earlier.
I'm saying is, if you see, if you go to Google,
Pardon?
go to Google and A3, find the A3 size in pixel.
Welcome to Rapper. Bluetooth
Click on
mode.
it. You can find here 3508 by 4961, right? And go to Canva and go to custom designs. Add that size. What is that size? 3508
6/4.
by 4961, right? And click on create design. Of course, Canva has some templates also for that size. Okay, you can use that. It's A3 size. You can edit as per your desire based on your requirement.
The file is saved as JPG or PDF or which
It's up to
format?
you. Once your design is done, okay, your design is ready here. Only thing you have to click here. Can you see the arrow here? Download. You can see the download, right? Then click on either you can select PNG, a JPG, PDF standard, print, anything. Just you can take it better. My recommendation is JPG. And click on download. Select your file location in your computer. That's it.
Actually,
It's
we are
already
comfortable
downloaded.
with Photoshop. Yeah.
Yes.
Are these layers open? Can these layers be opened in Photoshop?
Pardon me, your voice is
Can we
not
save it
audible
as
to me.
Actually, I just
This is
wanted to know.
entirely different.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Actually, in Photoshop we have layers, number of layers, right?
Yes.
Can we
Image
save this Canva image in a Photoshop format or something like that, PSD format or something like that?
No, Canva don't have any PSD format like that. If you see, it's very easy. Canva, if you've done this image design, it will be available for lifetime. So I have done that image, right? So if I would refresh that, I would see that design here. These are my previous
Okay.
designs. Okay. If
Okay,
I want to
okay.
edit the same design again, if I want to change little bit changes, then I can click on that image, any particular image, and I can do that. See, these are my previous designs where I can,
Okay.
yeah, edit those images again if I want to make some changes. Got it?
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, got it.
Yes. So these are the features. Afterwards, we have music. Because why they added music? Because recently they added video editing also. So
Okay.
you can get the small video clips also. You can, okay? Those are free. So if these videos are free, you can use those videos. For that, if you want to add some video on this poster, you just click on this and go to videos, add one video on this, and it will play. Done? Like that. Clear? So after
Yeah.
that, you can change the background color if you are making some new design. So it's a new design. If you want to change the background color or any, these are the backgrounds we have. So if you want, you can change, add those background, and you can add text or elements or anything you want. It's very easy and very creative. Depends on your creativity. Okay. So for suppose, you can add any kind of designs. You can change its color. Blue, and make it light green. And you can add text, images, or anything. It depends on how much creative you are. You can play with this. It's very easy. So it's better you can give a try and doing this. If you want to add some graphs, you can add over those. Clear? And it's very easy. Actually, people making very complicated creating designs, images. But if you can use it, it's very simple drag and drop templates, drag and drop for a model to design, create any kind of images you want. It's very easy. So of course you can create folders also within this. If you want, you can create folders, and that's it. And here you have the models. If you want Facebook, Instagram, everything, nothing is, complicated. Everything is possible in canva.com, but except cropping the image. Like, if you want to crop images, like the way we do in, Photoshop. So suppose if you want to create an PNG files like this, it's not possible in Canva, like the PNG format. If you want to create PNG images, it's not possible in canva.com. Okay. Because in PNG format, background will be, eliminated. So that's possible in Photoshop only. So if you want to add those kind of images, what you have to do is you have to get those images from Google or anywhere. And then for suppose here I have some images earlier.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sampath, I heard I heard in one of what you call the training sessions that even the backdrop can be changed in Canva.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can change the background.
Yeah.
This is what I'm
So
changing
entire
here.
yeah.
Yes, yes. What I mean to say is you can't crop image like this. Here an image where there is no background for this image, right?
Right.
We can't crop that image. For suppose this is the image. This, let's say this is the original image. Out of this image, I can't crop the image like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it? That is only the future. Future is not possible with Canva. Otherwise, everything is possible in Canva. I hope you understand. And if you want to add such kind of logos or anything, make sure download from Google as a PNG form. So if you want to add a logo, make sure those logos must be PNG logos. For suppose we have, logos of our JCI Achievers and Bridge the Gap. Those are not the PNG format. So those logos are in a JPG format. So JPG format obviously had the background. So
Yes, yes.
yes, whenever you have a logos, you must keep the logos with the PNG format so that the background is suitable for any image. It
Could
has
we
to fit.
convert it into PNG, Sampath?
Yes, you have to convert those things.
How do we do that?
With Photoshop only we can do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is what we don't need to see. Why I'm sharing about Canva is we don't need to depend on for each and every requirement we have to make posters or designs, anything. So you don't need to look after anyone who can help you. So you can design on your own any kind of images. It's very easy. That's what I wanted to share in this session. So maybe it's added some value to you.
Yes, it did. Actually, I was quite unaware of designing these posters.
Okay.
Once I attended Canva after joining JCI, one Canva session we attended.
Okay.
It was hosted by Vizag. Which one's
Green
Ranjit sir?
City. Green
Achievers.
City, right? After that, yeah, it was very basic, very basic. In fact, so after
Okay.
that I started. Designing these posters.
Okay.
What little I do is all because of that session.
Okay.
So why don't we conduct a small, small activity like, at least those who have attended the session, let us make a small poster and post it in our Achievers group.
Yes. As an exercise, design some poster and share it in the group. Let us see how many of you.
I will give you one exercise, Ranjit sir.
No,
all of us.
it's for everyone. It's for everyone.
Yeah, for all
mostly.
of us. So that is this month we have 3 superstars, right?
Okay.
And this is the image I have made for one City Dental Care ad. So you can create any kind of ads for for your own business. So yesterday we have discussed about Facebook advertising, Facebook marketing, and where you have to create, you have to design your images on your own. So this is what Canva will help you to create your images here. So
and do we need to have only laptop or say system, or even we can do over phone also?
Mobile also we can do.
You can do it in two gadgets, only laptop or desktop, and tab only. So phone, of course, smartphone will accept, allow you to create, but you can't use all the tools like this.
Okay.
I think we can connect. I think we can connect a USB mouse to the phone by OTG cable and try the options.
No need to worry that, because Canva is also have an application also. You can use that if you want.
Okay. If there's any Android app, then it's very easy.
Yes. It has.
Big screen button.
But it's better to use laptop or desktop, because when we are dragging and
actually, doing designs also, the bigger the screen, the more visible will be our design.
Excellent.
Absolutely. If it's a small screen, we'll not be able to see the entire design at the same time, as well as we won't have a clear picture of what we are doing if it's a very small screen.
Exactly.
During designs, it's always better to go for a big screen.
Yes. that's it. This is all about Canva. It's very simple. I hope everybody understood what it is.
Yeah, to some extent.
Yes, understood.
And let me know.
Ma'am,
But practice